Hello and welcome. Here we will provide a surface-level introduction to the world of ChatGPT, an emerging resource for quickly compiling answers to very complex questions. ChatGPT is an AI language model that was assembled using state-of-the-art technology and an immense amount of data up to 2021, from various sources. It's designed to help people navigate the vast seas of information, quickly analyze it and compile answers. It can turn weeks of research into a few seconds wait. ChatGPT was built using a process called pre-training, which involved feeding the model massive amounts of data from a variety of sources, including books, articles, and websites. This data was then used to teach the model how to understand and respond to human language, making it one of the most advanced language models in existence today. So, how can ChatGPT help you? Let me give you a few examples. If you're a first-time user, you could use ChatGPT to ask it a question, whether you're looking for information on a specific topic or just want to know the answer to a random trivia question. ChatGPT can help. Simply type in your questions or commands and ChatGPT will generate tailored responses. 2. Get assistance with a task. If you're working on a project or trying to solve a problem, ChatGPT can offer valuable insights and advice. Just tell it what you're working on. It can also assess what you mean, so feel free to explain in your own detailed words what you are looking for, and ChatGPT will provide you with solutions and answers based on your directions and questions. In short, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you optimize the vast amounts of knowledge and information available on the internet. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious individual, ChatGPT has something to offer. The free and premium version are available at chat.openai.com.